Did you know space isn't silent? Hold on, because in less than 3 seconds, I'm about to drop the loudest sound the universe has ever made. Imagine two black holes, each about 30 billion times the mass of our sun, inching closer in a swirling dance that lasts a few seconds. The universe's gravity pulls them together, and when they collide, we get a burst of energy that sends ripples, gravitational waves through space-time itself. The peak of this burst sends out about 3 solar masses of energy in a single heartbeat. To put it in everyday terms, that's like releasing the power of 3 tons of TNT, but spread across the entire diameter of a continent. Scientists caught this cosmic thunder with detectors called LIGO in 2015. The instruments have atom-perfect lasers that can hear changes in distance smaller than a proton. They measure the waves by seeing how the distance between 2 4-kilometer arms changes by less than a speck of a human hair. That tiny jitter is the echo of a monumental collision light years away. Now, what if we converted those waves into a sound we can actually hear? Tonight's mind-blowing fact is, if we place the LIGO data into an audio file, the resulting sound would reach about the 22nd of December eyeballs higher than a subway train at 150 feet, a frequency that our ears can actually pick up between 0.01 hertz, the range that lets us hear the basaltic rumble of Earth's own interior. In other words, the collision would produce a roar thousands of times louder than a jet engine on the ground. It's the loudest sound we can capture from space. And that's not the end of the story. There are even more subtle whispers. The cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, is a low-frequency hiss that has been fading ever since the universe cooled. If you could compress every bit of that hiss into our hearing range, it would sound like a very soft, steady hum, like the distant drum of a drum machine held in the deep night. So the next time you look up at the black velvet sky, remember that it's alive with unheard music, from the primal roar of colliding black holes to the gentle whisper of the first light. Isn't that mind-blowing? If you want more of these astonishing facts, hit subscribe, drop a comment on what you think sounds like the universe, and stay tuned for the next big blast of knowledge.